Making to my public, Saras, ya bow Saras. This is Raashii by your side to make your accounting concepts clear. And today we'll be learning about difference between bills receivable and bills payable. So let's get started. First of all, bills receivable is an asset. Bills payable is an liability. Bills receivable is drawn by seller. आप कोई सेलर बिल्स रिसीवेबल क्यों ड्रॉ होता है? क्योंकि व्हेन यू सेल थिंग्स एट क्रेडिट यू वांट अश्योरेंस दैट समवन विल पे यू बैक योर अमाउंट फॉर विच यू हैव मेड अ क्रेडिट सेल्स. तो सेलर ड्रॉज अ बिल्स रिसीवेबल एज अ प्रूफ ऑफ अ क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन that has happened and against which money has to be receivable to the seller. Bill receivable is drawn by seller and that bills receivable which is drawn by seller is bills payable for the buyer. Bills payable is accepted by buyer. Only when he accepts the bills receivable drawn by the seller, it actually becomes a bill, or else it is just a draft. Bills payable is accepted by seller. Third, bills receivable means someone or buyer or your customer owes you something, whereas bills payable means you owe to someone. Bills receivable मतलब you are not owing anything to anybody, whereas someone else is owing you something. That means something from someone is receivable to you, whereas bills payable is you owe someone something. That is आपको आपकी तरफ से किसी को कुछ पे करना है. For bills payable, now bills receivable increases future cash flow, whereas bills payable decreases future cash inflow, decreases future cash inflow, or otherwise increases future cash outflow. Fifth point, bills receivable can be discounted, whereas बिल्स पेबल रिसीवेबल को आप बैंक के पास जाके डिस्काउंट करा सकते हो, उसके बदले में आप कैश रिसीव कर सकते हो, वेयर एज बिल्स पेबल कैन नॉट बी डिस्काउंटेड. बिल्स रिसीवेबल कैन बी एंडोर्स्ड मतलब आप अपने क्रेडिट को कम करने के लिए बिल्स रिसीवेबल जो अपना इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, एसेट इंस्ट्रूमेंट, वो दे सकते हो टू सेट ऑफ योर क्रेडिट. बेसिकली क्या होता है, आपको आपका कस्टमर पैसा देता है और आप अपना क्रेडिट किसी को पे करते हैं. तो आपने डायरेक्टली क्या किया, अभी आपने उसको पैसा नहीं दिया, आपने बिल्स रिसीवेबल दे दिया, सो दैट डायरेक्ट नेट ऑफ हो गया आपका क्रेडिट अगेंस्ट डेबिट. तो बिल्स रिसीवेबल कैन बी एंडोर्स्ड, whereas bills payable cannot be endorsed. Bills receivable का journal entry is bills receivable to debtors, whereas bills payable का journal entry is bills creditors to bills payable. Now bills receivable is debited in bills receivable book, which is one of the subsidiary book, whereas bills payable is credited to bills payable book. Then bills receivable is made against credit sale, whereas bills payable is made against credit purchase. So this is the total difference. I hope you have all understood this.